Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Yeah, I'm in a pickup truck right now because the new 2 to 4 wheel drive selector module just came in. I gotta put this in before it starts snowing. And it's only fall here in Colorado, but the temperatures were already in the 30s at night, and the windshields were already icing over. So yeah, I need to get this in. Yeah, get the old one out. Need to stick this in here. Pop that loose. That's just about some dentist work, getting that out. Yeah, the dashboard cover off again. Because, well, as you know, as a dentist once said to me, you can't work on a patient fully clothed. Yeah, that's what he said when I woke up. Yeah, just pop that wiring harness loose like that. Let's just check and make sure it's the right one. Yes, okay, that one's good. All right. Right now, everything looks more or less like it should. All right, now I'm gonna put the, probably just test it while we're sitting here. Look at that. Truck still starts up the first time. All right, it's in two-wheel. Transmission in the neutral. Alright, so at least electronically it's showing that it's working right, which is the first time ever. I'm saying we go for a test drive. What you think? We go for a test drive? Oh, hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So, yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it up. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. And if you guys get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. And to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget Game Profit CO. Here it is. Yeah. Now back to the show. Already in progress. Got no wheel slippage at all, so yeah, all that was a switch for the last 2.5 years. Been driving it without the four-wheel drive. All it was a switch. Wow. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's a smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. You can just go ahead and click on that. You automatically subscribe to my channel. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Don't forget to hit that share button. Where is that? It's right about here, give or take. And you got anything you want to see in some future videos? You got any suggestions? You go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.